Hey guys, it's Yuna, and today we are by the coast of Oregon. We're by this thing called the Cauldron. There you go. And the tide is coming in slowly, or semi-slowly, but the waves are amazing. So let's just check them out for a little bit. Oh yeah. Alright. Moment of Zen, brought to you by Yuna's Journeys. Oh, this one will be good. This one will be good. Please be good. Yeah, baby. Oh, that's right. We are close to Yachats. I thought it was yachts. It's yachts. Yeah. Oh. People have been getting splashed all the way up to here, even past. Ah, there it is. Ah, so that's the Cauldron. And usually when you see pictures of Oregon and the Oregon coast, you actually do see this cauldron featured in a lot of photos. I've noticed. So. Now over here you're getting huge splashes of water. So let's see if it's coming in. That should be good. And no, I lied. Sorry, I lied to you guys. Yeah. All right, here comes. Ah! What happened? I got splashed. All right, I got what I wanted. I'm done. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. Sea salt hair, baby. Oh yeah.
Mi amo Gonzo Fine.
Recording, there it is. So I'm here with someone, so the voice you heard. Anyways, let's go back to enjoying the rough seas, shall we? Oh, now it's settled down. Had a whole bunch of awesome waves come up, and down there, let's see, down there that group of kids was all the way up closer, and then like 4 or 5 huge waves came up and was splashing them. They were running back as far as they could. There's that cauldron, and down this way is that horn that way. And there's the setting sun. Beautiful. Isn't that purple? So today's video is just water. Water, glorious water.
We're gonna get it now.
There we go. Beautiful. All right, you guys, thanks for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed a little bit of water scenes, and I'll be recording more, but love you guys. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you later. Bye. Love ya. Guys, it's the end of the day. Look how beautiful the fog is rolling in. A beautiful sunset. And I noticed that there was a row of stickers. So, Yuna's Journeys is officially a sticker on the side of the road. There's me! Yay! Wall Drugs. Wanderers. Let's see. Sugar Top Buttery. Let it pour. Fluffy Show. Okay, we're gonna have to check out the Fluffy Show on. Let's see. Live Life Outside Agenda. Free label. Alright. Beer love. Awesome. Life is beautiful. And O for Oregon. Oh yeah. Show me your O face. Sorry. Alright guys, I love you. Thanks for having joined me. Have a wonderful evening. Good night.